symmetry. Din nyo lang. Is your y. And sa y-axis, I mean sa x-axis, no symmetry. So, centroid is somewhere here. Divided or divided. Centroid is somewhere here. So, x-axis. We're going to determine the percentage of this section, WT by 10.5 by 66. Kulang ng utangan 3. That is A9 and 15. A9 and 15. So again, as I said earlier, if we want to investigate for flexural torsional, we are going to consider both axes. We're going to consider the flexural buckling first, and we will start with the axis of no symmetry. In this case, the axis of no symmetry is your x-axis. So that is where we're going to compute for our flexural buckling. And then on the other side of the axis, has no non-symmetry or no symmetry, we are going to compute both the flexural and the flexural torsional. Okay, so basically you'll be computing three sets, not for our single section. Okay, so for the axis of no symmetry, axis of no symmetry. And again, in this case, this is your x-axis. So, what do we need in our closed area? We need our ix, we need our iy, and then later on we're going to need our h, our r so far, again, that we will need. So, what's the gross area for this one? It says here, oh, madali lang naka-SI. So, madali is an example. I was thinking, yeah. Okay. Naka-SI. The name is in English now, but we will use the first one that I wrote a while ago, probably is the SI equivalent, no? But we're not really using SI name for our sections. So, pila man yun? SI. 19.4. May bin? 12,500. Correct. Okay. So that's square millimeter. How about for IX and IY? For what?
IX
25 times 10 to the power of 6. And then 4. Ilan? 69. 69.1 times 10 is 6. Okay. What else? So we are going to we need notation of dance around each. We need our H, we need our J, we need our R and Y. Zero point.
845.
So unit and J type 235. 40. Sa po yung sana. Yeah, constant pero na siya unit. Please look at the first sheet.
Age, sir. Wala eh.
Wala.
Wala, sir.
Wala ito. So wala siya times 10 to the choro pero wala.
Wala, sir.
Okay, so pwede for 5.
All, sir.
Habang for J. Eh, pinipinabor na siya short na pero sure na ba siya yung
44, sir. Ayan.
unit. Wala siya times 10 something. Over 103.
Dili na all. And then,
Yeah, yung take on na siya. Moment of conversion yan. Pero, kasi, wala siya sumbay.
10 raised to 3, sir.
So 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 3. Sure ang H wala? Amat bar R.
117, sir. Ay, 117.
117 unit. MM lang. Wala na ipakapilan. Okay, so I think we still need some other more values, but first we need our so it says here effective place naman eh. So this one is your theta, no? So we need to concern ourselves with the effective length and defect. So we need to solve for our R. So this one is specific to the axis, x-axis. Therefore, you are going to evaluate your R as a function of the x-axis. We have here 75.3 times 10 to the 6. We have 8, which is 12,500. And so we have
77.61, sir.
7.61. And then for our PL over R, we will have 5,000 divided by 77.61. 62.42 greater than or equal to just 4.71 square root of 200,000 of square root of P over F y no? Equal
FY over F. Ay, FY na?
E
FE, sir.
E over F y, so that's 1,000 to 1,000 divided by our F y, which is in this case we have 345 again. Okay, so 345. Ilan again? We have 62.42. Ilan? Ilan?
108.40, sir.
Okay, so it's less than. So if it's less than, you use FCR equals to 0.877.
Ay, bali, sir.
865 or 658? 658. And then F was to FE. What? What's our FE? FE is equals to 4 square T over L over R square. That's it.
Kesa na.
Sir,
Ayaw na sige. Ako yung direct sa
506.
Okay. 506.62 megapascal, and then MCR is
59.44.
different values, 345. We have different values, 64. Dini 64? 64, sir. 64? 64 point. Pag-matter mo sila.
64 to 64 to
64 point. 42, okay. Pag-matter mo sila. Hindi 477. FE. Or 77 point 75. Yeah. Okay.
475.
475. 477 is on 475 points. What's that? So it should matter there. Divide na lang ba kay so this one is somewhere 255. Sila exact. 255 point. 254 points. 4.67 megapascals, and then our PS is FCR times your gross area.
3.18
Ay, iba. APN. 35 again. That's for your axis of no symmetry. Questions to part? Yes. May procedure. Una here, axis of no symmetry. Yeah. Okay, kung sa white kung ato siyang tiluod ba? So pareha siya o purma. Pero this one, ato siyang tiluod sa x-axis. Hindi mo makita pero may kini, because side right. So, siya.
Kasi pareha siya, vertically utot yun sir.
Iya, pareha. Kung mirror, kita mo sa symmetry. Okay. Other questions? So we're not done yet, no? This is for the electrical battery, but need also for the lectural bunkering for the axis with symmetry. Axis with symmetry, and then this one should be for y-axis. Now for the axis with symmetry, you need two, no? You need your flexural buckling and your flexural torsional buckling. So let's start with the flexural buckling first. So this is Y, so this is your RY now. Square root of, ilan natin, 69.1 times 10 to the 6 and 4 divided by 12,500 and square. Ilan na siya?
4.25.
74.55. PL over R should be 5,000 divided by 74.35. Ilan? 55. And the same naman siya o grade. So therefore this is the same. So less than yapon siya 113.4. So this is the we're going to use FCR 0.658 FY over FE. Baliktad FE over FY. Sa to times your FY. So FE is equal to tapos yun. Ilan? 46.46. This is mega Pascals, and then for FCR
December 22. 47.22.
ilan? 247? 247.82. This is megapascals, and then your EN
97.75.
EN na 30 3097.25. Okay, so nasa siya critical so far. So critical so far. So we need to check our lectural portional. So hindi nila itatag yun. Our FCR right okay. So this now becomes your FCRY. Okay, one naman ni siya. Critical sa critical stress sa y-axis, critical for the z-axis. Okay. So y man ni, so this now becomes your f prime. So kung solve mo na lang mo is FCRZ. Continue, you have your FCRZ equals to GJ. What's G? 77,200. Let's have unit analysis. Okay, pagpuro na sa panata. What's J? J is equals to 40,000. The unit is MM4. Ako na Rihanna. Tapos kita divided by gross area, which is 12,000 m squared, multiplied by R 117 mm squared. Kini mo mm lagi ni dyan. 117 mm. So this is a stress, so we should be expecting square na siya. Okay, square na siya. So, wala na lang. No? So, yeah, it's correct now because we're expecting megapascals na answer. Ila? 55 points. 73 megapascals. I'll just write it here lang. 1055.73 megapascals. What's next?
CR.
Ano na? Next, our FCR was 2. We have kailan siya 247.82 plus 1055.73 divided by 2 times what's our age? 0.845 times 1 minus the square root of 4 times 247.82 times 1055.73 times 8.45 divided by 247.82 plus then 55.73 square. This is 30 square root. Your FCR should be equals to tuloy 1. Tapos siya 1 minus. Tapos siya 1 minus din. 1 minus. Napag 1 minus. Okay. Ay, dapat ay 7 square. Surely. Right. What is that? Times 10 to the 6. Okay, so I don't know sa iyo ba? 67 isa sa notes. Anyway, megapascal. So we now have our FCRs or PM equals to this one, 227.17 watts per meter times 12,500 square meter divided by 1,000 PM.
64.63.
You have your
2964.63.
2964.63 PM. So that's your flexural torsional backplane. So which one is critical?
That's it.
This one. So obviously now in sa code, check yun basta sa P, and this is the reason no? Critical, which is flexural torsional. This is EU section. Questions?
Sa cultural national sa pananglitan.
Critical, yes. Yeah, Rene? Why money? FCRY. Why money? Ano na yung nice. Basically speaking, yes. Pero, kung ano, computer na gudya ko, di mo si Y. Muna mo, agit mo na din. And then i-check kung sa critical sila. No. Ikwan mo talang. I-check niyo mo talang.
Pero sa version, kung si Channel lugar si FC Alex na kasi
Malaki.
hindi siya nakakulera kung si Alex.
Mura dili ko yata.
For double angle at T-shape naman yung
Ha?
Malaki yata.
For double angle at T-shape pag may section na yun. For white planches sa channel inanin natin ako.